Hello everyone. In this video, I will be talking about how to automate manual Excel reports. So here we have two different CSV datasets. One of them is from 2023 and the other one is from 2024. We will be building a simple application such that we can aggregate these raw datasets and create an Excel output. Our datasets are from an e-commerce business, basically showing the return products data with the return dates, reasons of returns, city and country, and the amounts of returns basically. These datasets share the same structure. All the columns are the same, so merging them together is going to be easy. After merging them together, we will be aggregating as 4 different ways to be able to generate our final report. The aggregations we're going to make are on the return reasons, on countries, on cities, lastly on both cities and return reasons. So let's dive in. I'm going to use PyCharm, which is my favorite Python IDE. And here we have main.py file in our Python project, and we will start coding here. First, we import pandas. If pandas is not installed in your environment, you can just use pip install pandas script in your terminal. Here, we are adding our data import codes. First, for 2023 and for 2024. To keep our code clean and modular, we will handle data processing in a separate file. I've already created aggregation.py, so let's open that. Inside, we will define our aggregation processor class, which will handle the key steps for processing our data. First, let's examine the dataset to understand what transformations we need. The initial task is to convert the return date column to a datetime format. After that, we will add a year-month column to aggregate data by month. Finally, we will implement the actual aggregation logic. We will start by creating a convert to datetime method that converts the return date column into datetime format. Next, we will add a function that takes the return date, creates separate year and month columns, and then combines them into a year-month column for easier aggregation. Afterward, we'll drop the individual year and month columns, leaving only the year-month. With the data ready, it's time for aggregations. The aggregate data method will take the dataset along with the index, column, value names, and the aggregation function and use them to generate pivot table. Now, let's switch back to main.py to complete the script. First, we'll import the aggregation processor class and create an instance of it. We'll also import the aggregation.py file so our class is recognized. Next, we will merge the two datasets into one, which we will call df_all. We'll then execute the methods we defined in aggregation processor, starting with converting the dates, creating the year-month column, and finally generating the output data frames for the report. Once we've created all 4 datasets, we will define the output path and generate an Excel file. This code snippet will produce an Excel file with each aggregated data frame on a separate sheet. To keep things neat, we'll wrap everything in a function called run. Finally, we will execute our run function. And voila, the report is created. The Excel file includes separate sheets for each aggregation, return amounts by reason, country, city, and a combined view of city and return reasons. Now that we have accomplished our goal, let's simplify things by running the Python script directly from our terminal. I'll open the terminal and execute main.py. And there we go. The same output is generated once again. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you found it insightful. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.